Welcome to the unboxing and review of the FreeYond F9S. The FreeYond F9S comes in 4 different colors: black, sky blue, yellow, and purple. My favorite is the purple one. Let's start with the unboxing first. That was loud. The phone out of the box comes with a useless sticker, user guide, standard USB-A to USB-C cable, SIM ejecting tool, charger, pre-applied protective glass, and the thermoplastic polyurethane case. On the right side of the phone we have the volume rocker and the power button with built-in fingerprint scanner. On the bottom there are the charging port, the speaker and a 3.5mm jack. And the SIM card holder is on the left side. Now comes the satisfying part. Now I will test how the phone works. If you are not interested in this, you can skip ahead to the camera test. Not just yet. The camera test comes a bit later.
And this is how the video from the rear view camera of the FreeYond F9S looks and how it sounds, the microphone. Let's see. And this is the video from the front-facing camera. You see, yeah, not so good of a dynamic range, but it is what it is.
We already saw what is in the box. Now let's talk a bit more about the phone. The dimensions of the FreeYond F9S are 75 by 163 by 8.8 mm and it weighs 190 grams thanks to the plastic body. It uses the 1.6 GHz Unisoc SC9863A1. The F9S has a 6.6-inch IPS display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels powered by the 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. There are only two options for the F9S. The 64GB storage with 4GB RAM and the 128GB storage with 6GB RAM. Both work on the Android 13. The rear camera is 13 megapixels with f2.2 aperture. It can record in Full HD with 30 fps and take 4130 by 3120 pictures. We also have a 2 megapixel macro lens. While the front-facing camera is 8 megapixels. It can hold up to 2 nano SIM cards. Or a SIM plus micro SD. The F9S scores about 120,000 on N2 to benchmark, which is better than around 38% of all phones. Overall we rate this phone with 4.4 out of 10 objectively and 7.1 out of 10 for the price. Simply put, you should buy this phone for your toddler or your grandma. If you are thinking to buy it for yourself, we suggest you save some more money and buy something like the Umi Digi G3 Plus or the Oscal Tiger 10, which reviews you can look on the link in the top right corner or in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.